Okay, everybody should have tried these two actually on your own first. And now let's check to see if you are right, or let's try to find your mistakes. So first we have f of negative 3, and we need to evaluate it for f of x equals 2x squared plus 2. So I'm going to put this 3 everywhere I see this x in the original. So f of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 squared plus 2. F of negative 3 equals, based off order of operations, would I multiply 2 times negative 3? Should I do negative 3 squared, or should I add? Well, of course, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, first thing we would do is exponents. So negative 3 squared is just like negative 3 times negative 3. It's the base times itself 2 times. A negative times a negative would be positive. 3 times 3 is 9. So that would make it 2 times 9 plus 2. Then once again, based off order of operations, I would multiply before I did my addition. So 2 times 9 would be 18. 18 plus 2 would be 20. So f of negative 3 would be 20. Now let's solve for f of 6. F of 6. First, we rewrite our problem, putting this 6 in everywhere we see an x. So f of 6 would equal 2 times 6 squared plus 2. So f of 6 would equal, once again, based off order of operations, I will do my exponents before I multiply or add. So 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. So I have 2 times 36 plus 2. Then I have f of 6 equals 36 times 2 is 72. Drop down my plus 2. F of 6 would equal 72 plus 2 is 74. So f of 6 would equal 74. F of negative 3 would equal 20.